So welcome back to the 100 days of Python programming challenge. This is day 6 and today we are going to be creating a simple dice simulator. If in case you're wondering why are we even doing all of these really simple and basic programs, then we are just covering all the basic stuff, then intermediate, and then we'll move on to the advanced stuff. So that will make it a 100 days Python programming challenge. We cannot just simply have all the advanced concept and not cover the basic stuff. So we'll go on for the basic in the beginning, then the intermediate, and then the advanced. As we move forward, the things will go harder and harder and harder and more advanced and advanced and advanced. So for now, let's just start coding for the dice simulator. So let's start by importing a function, calling it the random. So not function necessarily, library, random. So basically random helps us creating random integers and random placements. Like you basically use random library when you want the random stuff, when you're working with random data or you want to work with random data. So we'll basically create a function calling it the Rool-Dice, and Rool-Dice will basically have 6 numbers 1 to 6 that will be given randomly, right? And then we'll have the dice simulator. Basically it is going to have a while loop, which will basically include of input, whether you want to roll the dice or not, and then we'll keep it to lower, right? So for example, if I enter yes or no, whatever that happens to be, even if I put it like capital yes, it will convert it to lowercase and then it will check on the condition whether I input yes or not. Right, so basically even if I put it lowercase or uppercase or whatever that happens to be, it will basically convert it to lower and then consider that into the variable roll. So there is a very less possibility that yes, capital yes will be considered as not a yes, right? So that's how you manage stuff. So if I say yes, then it will basically go on to the result, roll dice, and then it will just print that your answer is this. So if I roll dice and my output is this, then I will get that as an output. So if I were to input no, so if a user were to input no, then it will just say have a good day, that's it, and then go on to else part, right? So let's just say it elif, and this is the else part. In else part, I'll basically say invalid input. So whatever you input is not either a yes or a no. It's basically something else. And then I'll just call the function and run it. All right, it's working pretty fine. So let's just say something like yes, and I have 4. Then I say n, it says invalid. I say no, it says have a good day. But basically, if you forgot to put a break, so you can just add on a break up here, and that is it all for today. You can find the code in the link in the description. You can just find that 100 days of Python programming challenge. You can find the code in the description. If you like the video, put on a like. If you dislike the video, put on a dislike. If you want to stay tuned with this particular playlist, then just don't forget to put on a subscribe button. Don't forget to click on subscribe button, and make sure you follow or make sure you share it with more Python enthusiasts like yourself. See you in the next one.